Hello students, welcome to e-platform of Mothers International Academy. I am Miss Julie, your science teacher. Today we are going to discuss our second chapter, that is microorganisms. But before starting this chapter, I just wish for your good health, be safe, be at home. Now let us start this chapter. This is our second chapter, that is microorganisms, friend and foe. We all know the meaning of friend. Okay, here foe means what? The antonym of friend, that is rival. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to know about microorganisms. What are microorganisms? Okay, where do organisms live? Microorganisms and us, food preservation, nitrogen fixation and nitrogen cycle. What are the topics we are going to discuss in this chapter? They are microorganisms, about microorganisms, where do they live, microorganisms and us, food preservation and nitrogen fixation and nitrogen cycle. All these topics we are going to discuss in this lesson, in this chapter. Okay, so let us start with the microorganisms. If we divide the word microorganism, microorganisms means what? First word is micro and then the second word is organism. Okay, micro means what? Micro means small. Okay, micro means small, very small, which are not visible to naked eyes. And organisms means what? Living creature, that is living creature. So microorganisms means small or very small living creatures which are not visible to naked eyes. Okay, in your book too, here it is written extremely small microorganisms, called the microorganisms. Okay, extremely small so microorganisms means very small organisms or extremely small organisms that are not visible to naked eyes. Okay, so micro means very small, extremely small, and organism means living creature. Okay, so now I think the definition of microorganism or the meaning of microorganism is clear to all of you. Okay, so now let us know something about the instrument through which we can view or see these microorganisms. As these microorganisms are not visible to naked eyes, so to view or to see these microorganisms we need an instrument, that is microscope. Okay, it is a magnifying instrument. What I call you? Microscope. Here is microscope. So microscope is a magnifying instrument which is used to view extremely small organisms. Okay, so microscope is the instrument which is used to view extremely small organism. Look at here. In this picture or image, this is a microscope. This is a microscope. This microscope is modern microscope. It was not invented by Zacharias Janushan. Actually, the inventor of microscope was Zacharias Janushan. Okay, he invented the first microscope. He is the inventor of microscope. Okay. Zacharias Janssen. He invented the microscope, that is the magnifying instrument which made the things or which made the microorganism to view. Okay. Zacharias Janssen. Clear to all? So we have discussed what are microorganisms, okay, and through which instrument we can view or see these microorganisms. Okay, now let us come to the point who is known as the father of microbiology. But before that, we must know what is microbiology. What is microbiology? Okay, so micro means what? Very small, and biology means what? Study. So the study of microorganism is known as the microbiology. Okay, so the father of microbiology was the first to describe the shapes of bacteria, okay, found in rainwater and saliva. He was Leeuwenhoek. Okay, A.V. Leeuwenhoek. That is Antony van Leeuwenhoek. He is known as the father of microbiology, as he described the shape of bacteria found in the rainwater and saliva for the very first time. Okay. Now look at this picture. He is A.V. Leeuwenhoek, the father of microbiology. He was the first who discovered the shape of bacteria found in rainwater and saliva. Okay, he is A.V. Leeuwenhoek, that is Antony van Leeuwenhoek, the father of microbiology. But nowadays, the father of modern microbiology, okay, is known for his great invention, or we can say he discovered or he made vaccines for various diseases. He is Louis Pasteur. Okay, look at this picture. He is father of modern microbiology, that is Louis Pasteur. Okay, Louis Pasteur made vaccines for various diseases, as well as he described the shape of bacteria, and not only bacteria but some other microorganisms too. So nowadays the father of modern microbiology is Louis Pasteur. Don't get confusion, or don't be confused with father of microbiology and father of modern microbiology. If you are asked who is father of microbiology, then he is Leeuwenhoek, A.V. Leeuwenhoek. And if you are asked who is father of modern, he is father of microbiology, that is A.V. Leeuwenhoek. And he is father of modern microbiology, that is Louis Pasteur. Okay, clear to all? Now let us know some more terms. Okay, in the previous class, that is in class 7th, I had discussed about antigens and antibodies. Okay, there I told you about pathogens also. So what are pathogens? Pathogens are the microorganisms that cause a number of diseases in human beings, plants and animals. Okay, pathogens are the microorganism that cause a number of diseases in human being. For an example, typhoid is a disease. Okay, typhoid is a disease and it is caused by a bacteria, that is Salmonella typhi. Okay, so Salmonella typhi is a pathogen. Okay, so pathogens are none other than but microorganism that cause a number of diseases in human beings, plants and animals also. So in this chapter we will also discuss about some of the microorganism that will cause disease. What are that microorganism? Okay, so before that, let us discuss about what are the types of microorganism. How many types of microorganism? So basically there are 5 types of microorganism. They are bacteria, algae, fungi, protozoa and virus. Look at here. Look at this picture. I have divided the microorganisms in 5 groups. What are they? They are bacteria, okay, fungi, protozoa, algae and virus. These are the 5 types of microorganisms. 5 types. So how many types of microorganisms are there? Basically they are 5 in number. Okay, there are 5 types of microorganism and they are bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae and virus. Okay, clear to all? So today we learn about what are microorganism. We learn about the types of microorganism, who is the father of microbiology, what are pathogens, who is father of modern microbiology, what is microscope. All these things we discussed today. In the next session or in the next video, we are going to discuss about the types of microorganism one by one. What are bacteria, what are virus, what are protozoans, what are fungi, what are yeast. Okay, all these things we are going to discuss in our next video. Till then, be safe, be at home.